Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing. I know what this is. And you might have seen a lot of these on my channel in the last year. So bear with me until we see what this is. And hopefully this is the right one. So this is a Lamicall Gooseneck phone holder. So I bought this about 4 years ago and I loved it. And then when it broke, the little thing that holds it on broke, I ordered a cheaper version that looked exactly the same, but it wasn't. The cord was too short. And then I ordered one from Temu that was like $5 and the cord was long enough, but it was too wobbly. So I have just gone ahead and reordered the very first one. This was $34.99 plus I had a $5 off coupon. So just under $30 for this. And that's Canadian money. And it's the Lamicall Gooseneck phone holder. You could see it has Lamicall. They have a lot of different things. So yeah. So I hope this is as good as my old one because they have changed the pole part of it. They made it braided now. So anyway, it comes nicely folded, and here is the clip. And this is the part that broke last time. And the first thing to go was this. And I don't know what the purpose of this is. Like, I don't know why it's there. It just gets in my way anyway. But it's attached to these bumpy parts, which you do need. And that whole thing fell off. Excuse me. So that's what broke on my old one. And here is the rest of it. So my old one did not have the braided cord. And it says this is 38 inches. But I don't know if it's any longer than the one I have now. But my other one that I had, my original one, was long enough. So I don't know if they're just making these shorter or what. So I can't compare the one that I'm using right now because my phone is actually attached to it. But I'm just going to pull it out and hopefully it's longer than the one I'm using now. And I can't really tell. I will let you know though. What you do is this part here clamps onto something. And you just clamp it on it to hold it in place. And this is flexible. And this piece just attaches to the ball joint. Oh, but not like that. You don't force it on. Unscrew it. It does come with instructions. It shows you right here how to do it. Part A, Part B, Part C. And then you tighten it. It says put the ball swivel joint onto the knob. Press the ball swivel joint into the groove on the back of the chuck. And then tighten the knob. I don't know. I might have to get my dad to help me with this. Like in theory, it should just go together like this. So you just have to really push hard to snap that on. And then you just tighten it with this. It's supposed to be lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, but so it just takes a while to do it, and you turn it this way to get it on. And then you have a ball head that can move. So anyway, I really liked my first one a lot. I bought the smaller one that I have, smaller than the one I'm using right now. I just put in my art room. And if this is longer than the one I'm using right now, then I'll use this here. And I'll take the other one out to camp and leave it there. Because I do need one for recording at camp. And I hate bringing stuff back and forth that I could leave out there. So yeah, so that is it. I know this was not the best unboxing and putting it together. But I can't really show you how it works. Because the phone I'm using right now is attached to the one I'm already using, so I can't like compare it. But this is supposed to be longer. It says it is 38 inches. It has a 360 adjustable clamp clip, and it holds phones that are size 4 to 7 inches. And it was $34.99 on Amazon.ca with a $5 off coupon. Okay guys, so I am back, and I was able to take the one This is the Lamicall one that I was using. It's the same brand. And this is the one that I bought to replace the one that broke. But it wasn't as long. And I thought, am I losing my mind? But I'm not. So I reordered, and this is a little bit longer. I mean, if I could stretch it out perfectly, it would be quite a bit longer. But it's hard to get them to stretch out perfectly straight. So anyway, that like hand span, it makes a big difference from where I'm using it. So yeah, this is going to be the one that I am using in my room. These are both Lamicall. These are really good brands. The one I had, the first one, it lasted me for a long time before I broke it. This one here, the white one, it's much lighter than this one. This one is significantly heavier. So hopefully it's more heavy duty. And it's a shame that I didn't know these come in different sizes, because I really wasted my money buying this one when I bought it. But I can use this in the art room. And the one that's in the art room, I'll bring to camp. I'll bring the smallest one out to camp. Anyway, so that is it for this Lamicall gooseneck phone holder. Hopefully future videos will be easier to record in my room. The ones in my art room are very easy to record. But I do a lot of recording in my room because it's the only quiet room in the house. My family is downstairs, and I don't have a door in my art room so you can hear them. And it's not fair to my family to have their conversations recorded, for YouTube, right? So anyway, that is it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting, happy shopping, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Bye, guys.